Hello, veterans and families. This is Commander Santanam. Helping Hands for ECHS is very happy to bring to you video number 86, which is the eighth video which I made focused on mobile app ECHS. That is the app which is there in your mobile. You can use that to get lot of services. This video, which is the last in the series, video number 8, this is how to give feedback of polyclinic services. Number two, how to give feedback of empaneled hospital services. That is, when you visit polyclinic, when you come out, you can use your mobile and give feedback on polyclinic. Similarly, after you visit empaneled hospital, you can provide feedback on the hospital services to ECHS. So, as usual, which I have discussed in the last few videos, you have to log into eClinic. You already registered. You would Once you register, you will be able to log in. Without login, we have already discussed these features, which is card status, how to find ECHS contacts, how to find your claim status, how to find the empaneled hospitals near you, very briefly on volunteer service. Once you log into eClinic, click on this button, you will be taken to this. Always enter your 12-digit smart card number, ECHS card number, 4-digit PIN, which is like a password. It's a PIN, 4 digits, CAPTCHA, as it is written in capital letters. Log into eClinic. You'll be taken to this window. This is called as dashboard. In this dashboard, there are multiple features which are available. Feedback is a last feature, eighth in the series of videos. We have already discussed notification, appointments, smart card history, referrals, changing the PIN, and request polyclinic change. I have not discussed polyclinic info because it is still not complete. But once you click on it, it is self explanatory. You will get the details about your polyclinic and regional center, address, telephone number, etc. It's still not complete. That's why I have not discussed this. So once you log into eClinic, we go to the next. This is that window. We are going to discuss this feedback. Click on this feedback. This is on polyclinic services. You will see this particular window. It says feedback, select any, star rating, some box for you to write, send feedback. Let's see one by one. If you click on this down arrow, you will have this option. One is feedback on regional center and polyclinic. This radio button, feedback on hospitals, which is basically empanel hospital. Let's see this. We will select this. Moment you select this, this screen will be visible. That is regional center polyclinic is what you chose here. This is a drop down, this is a drop down. As we have seen in many videos in the past, if you click on it, you can select the regional center. You can select Ambala, Chandi Mandir, Bangalore, Chennai, etc. And moment you select this, the polyclinic associated, which are working under this regional center on administrative purposes, their list will be visible here. So first, select the regional center. I have selected Ambala. Then there is a list of, when I hit this drop down, I had a list of polyclinics under this Ambala regional center. I chose Karnal for as an example. Okay. So this is over. After that, let us come to this field. This is another drop down. If you click on it, you will have three options. You want to give feedback of this regional center polyclinic, of this regional center and this polyclinic about OAC, officer in charge polyclinic, about pharmacy services, about other services which are typically lab services or OPD services, etc. You can select any one of them at any point in time. Moment you select that service, I have selected other services. Okay, not pharmacy or not OAC. I've selected, for example, so Ambala, Karnal Polyclinic. I want to write about services which are provided to me when I visited the polyclinic. So next one is you can it's a star rating, 5 star, five, all 5 stars is the highest service satisfaction. Obviously, 1 star is no satisfaction or very low satisfaction. Select this, you click on it. After that, write your feedback here. In more details, very specifically about the service, what is good, what can be improved, etc., etc. And then click on this see feedback. Once you click on it, you will get a message which will say your feedback has been submitted successfully. Click OK, and you go back to the screen. Please note the limitation in this. This feedback is received by the officer in charge polyclinic, associated regional center office, and also central organization. The actions which are taken and given a feedback to the veterans or to ECHS beneficiaries is still not existing here. That means we don't know what is the action taken, or there is no mechanism for us to get the action taken or feedback from ECHS to us for our feedback. Okay, possibly this is an area of improvement which I have discussed with Director S&A, and I'm hoping that a day will come when all of us will get a feedback on our feedback, what actions are taken, how improvements were done, etc. Basically, today it is an open loop system. Okay, so whatever is there, at least let us use this to provide a very important activity feedback, realistic feedback, which is towards improvement. In fact, feedback remarks, you can suggest possible solutions to improve the service or improve whatever you have selected, improve the pharmacy service or the OSC or the other services here. As solutions, you can provide also. So, because all these things are, uh, as we call it, opportunities to improve our ECHS service as a continuum. I hope it's clear, very simple. Click on this, select any one of the three, then select the regional center and the corresponding polyclinic under this regional center, and select the feedback, what you want to give the feedback on. Three options currently: star rating and more details about your feedback, and a message which comes to say your feedback has been submitted. Click OK. Let's go to the next one, which is hospital services. Same feedback, log into eClinic feedback. It opens like this. This drop down, here you choose hospital here. Instead of regional center, we have seen. Once you choose hospital, you can choose which is a hospital name from this field, star rating, and more details on your experience in the empaneled hospital. These are all empaneled hospital list. Click on it. That is, you can write more details. Click the star, 5 star or 3 star or 1 star. Write more details. If you give 1 star, you can actually write more details to substantiate as to why you're given 1 star so that it can be improved by the entire functions which are there in ECHS. All of them can address it, with these type of details. They are very important, and alert message. So quite simple, and hopefully all these two features which I have discussed now, and polyclinic services and ML, will continually improve ECHS services to all of us. I'm going to conclude on mobile app ECHS. As I mentioned in my introduction, 8 videos have been launched, including this. This is the eighth video. The first video is video number 79, and what is covered in each one of the videos is also here. All these are available in Helping Hands for ECHS YouTube channel. Okay. This is the last in the series of mobile app ECHS videos. Every feature which is there has been covered by me, and hopefully, I'm sure these will help you to use your mobile app very effectively for the good of ECHS and also for your own benefit. From Commander Santanam, which is myself, my sincere thanks and special thanks for making this, bringing this mobile app videos to life. I would like to thank the following: MD ECHS, Director Stats and Automation, Director Regional Center Delhi 2, and the Project Manager Source Infosys Company, which designed and developed and launched this particular mobile app. With these 86 videos today available to you from Helping Hands for ECHS, I consider that 100% of your queries on ECHS are answered. If you visit my web portal link at least once a day, where the videos are also integrated in this web portal, you will get all the videos, access to policy letters, access to step by step procedures, access to important news, okay, which are of daily news or weekly news, which are very important. I publish it as news. So visit to at least once a day. When you see YouTube channel, please click subscribe button. We still need answers and they're not covered. You're most welcome to write to me. In case of an emergency, do not hesitate to call me. With these 86 videos, in my opinion, I think I have covered all services. In fact, I really do not know is there any other service which I have left out. In case you consider that there is a video which is required for a particular area of ECHS services which is not covered in these 86 videos, please give me a feedback. I'll be very happy to analyze it and, if required, make a video on that specifically to benefit veterans and families. Taking a lot of pain to effort to make these videos and launch these videos. My humble request: do not copy or reproduce the contents without my permission. However, do not hesitate to share videos or links to veterans and families. Okay, thank you, and I appreciate your support. A special thank you to all veterans and families who not only watch my videos, but I see a lot of feedback. From these feedback, I actually learn and I am trying to improve on every video which I brought to life. Jai Hind.